Almost 2 years after the concept debuted at the 2023 Tokyo Motor Show, Honda's elegant creation has received a production for and is ready to be presented to the general public. Having first appeared as an elegant prototype, the new Prelude gradually acquired the features of a full-fledged car, demonstrating to the public its readiness to become part of the daily lives of car enthusiasts. This fall, Japanese buyers will be the first to appreciate the 6th generation of the model, familiar to many fans of the brand since the beginning of the last century. However, the new product will reach the European audience only a year later, debuting in Europe in the summer of next year, 2025, and American car dealers will receive it only at the very beginning of 2026. The history of the name of the new project is interesting. As the head of the development team Tomoyuki Yamajimi admitted, the original idea was not at all to revive the Prelude name, which the company abandoned back in 2001. On the contrary, the task was an attempt to express the hidden ambitions of Honda engineers to create the perfect sports car. It was during the development of the concept that the decision naturally came to return to the once popular name, which became a symbol of the return of the legendary brand to the world of sports cars. Thus, the new incarnation of Honda is a unique balance between performance, efficiency and ease of use. The design is based on proven solutions of the successful Civic Type R line. Double transfer steering rod at the front, brakes from the famous Brembo company, comfortable folding rear seats and a roomy trunk with the ability to place additional things under the bottom of the body. At the same time, the heart of the new car will be a modern hybrid system that provides decent power and economy at the same time. Externally, the new model differs significantly from the usual civilian Civic models due to expressive aerodynamic lines inspired by the shape of the glider wing, as well as larger wheel discs and a slightly modified wheelbase, which gives the car a dynamic look of a sports car. The interior of the car pays special attention to detail. The comfort and convenience of the driver are felt in literally everything, from the design elements of the dashboard to the stylish seat trim, combining shades of colors. However, rear passengers are unlikely to appreciate the comfort so highly, since the space is limited, turning the back row into an addition to the cargo compartment. As for the technical characteristics, the exact figures are still kept secret, but it is expected that the engine with a capacity of about 200 horsepower, equipped with electric motors, will allow the new Prelude to confidently bypass its brother Civic Hybrid in terms of power and controllability. That the beer should refuse the manual transmission in advance. Honda will offer only automatic control modes, simulating sports sensations with the help of steering wheel paddles and a special S Plus mode. Probably, the future owner of the Prelude will pay a little more for the pleasure of owning this model than a potential beer of the Civic Hybrid hatchback, the starting price of which is about $31,000. However, Honda's main priority is to create a versatile car that can satisfy the needs of various groups of buyers who want to combine a vibrant driving experience with everyday practicality and economy. The plans include the release of extreme versions, such as the Type S or Type R, but for now the emphasis is on the basic version, which will allow the car to be presented to a wide range of drivers for the first time and test the market's reaction to the new direction of the brand's development. Thus, the new Prelude promises to once again raise the bar for sporty comfort and reliability standards, filling the market with an interesting offer that can interest fans of the brand and attract new adherents.